Have you tried countless home remedies for gray hair like coconut oil, curry leaves, or onion juice only to see absolutely no results after weeks of effort? Are you frustrated because every video promises these home remedies will reverse your graying, but your hair is still just as gray? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. The truth is, most home remedies for gray hair fail because they don't address the actual biological causes of graying inside your hair follicles. Today, I'm revealing exactly why these popular home remedies fail and what actually works based on scientific research and medical evidence. Stop wasting time on remedies that cannot possibly work. Stick around until the end because I'll share what you should be doing instead of applying kitchen ingredients to your scalp. Here is the fundamental truth about why home remedies for gray hair fail. Most popular home remedies, including coconut oil, curry leaves, onion juice, potato peels, and various herbal pastes, cannot reverse gray hair because they don't address the internal nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or oxidative stress that actually cause graying. Research from dermatology shows that gray hair results from melanocyte dysfunction inside your hair follicles, and topical applications cannot fix internal problems. The mechanism involves understanding what causes hair to turn gray at the cellular level. Studies reveal that melanocytes stop producing melanin due to nutritional deficiencies, particularly B12 and copper, oxidative stress from hydrogen peroxide accumulation, depletion of melanocyte stem cells from chronic stress, or genetic programming. Think about trying to fix a car engine problem by washing the exterior. That's essentially what topical home remedies do for internal melanocyte dysfunction. Research has clearly demonstrated that gray hair is not caused by lack of external oils, herbs, or treatments applied to your scalp. According to studies published in the International Journal of Trichology, graying occurs due to loss of melanocyte function in the hair bulb deep within follicles. Topical applications cannot penetrate deeply enough to reach melanocytes in the follicle bulb where pigment is actually produced. Think about those months you spent diligently applying coconut oil, onion juice, or curry leaf paste to your hair expecting reversal. Research shows these applications might improve hair texture, add shine, or condition the scalp, but they fundamentally cannot restore melanocyte function or restart melanin production. Studies demonstrate that melanocytes need specific nutrients delivered through your bloodstream, not substances applied to your scalp surface. Here's what makes this so frustrating for people trying home remedies. The internet is filled with testimonials claiming these remedies work, creating false hope and wasting people's time and money. Research reveals that any perceived darkening from these remedies is typically temporary staining of hair shafts rather than actual restoration of melanin. Studies show that this staining washes out over time, proving it's not a real reversal. The coconut oil myth is particularly persistent. Research demonstrates that while coconut oil provides excellent benefits for hair conditioning and moisture retention, it has absolutely no effect on melanocyte function or melanin production. Studies show that coconut oil cannot penetrate to the hair bulb where melanocytes reside, and even if it could, it doesn't contain nutrients melanocytes need. Curry leaves are touted widely for reversing gray hair based on traditional use. Research reveals that curry leaves contain beta-carotene, protein, and antioxidants that may support scalp health, but no scientific studies demonstrate that topical or even dietary curry leaf consumption reverses gray hair in humans. The claims are based on traditional use and anecdotes, not controlled clinical trials. Onion juice has some research support for hair growth by improving scalp circulation, but studies have not demonstrated reversal of gray hair. Research shows that onion juice may stimulate hair regrowth in alopecia areata, but this doesn't translate to restoring melanin in grayed hair. Before we move on, I would love to know where you are watching from. If this content is helping you understand why home remedies fail for gray hair better, type 1 in the comments or 0 if it doesn't. And if you're serious about learning what actually works for gray hair, make sure to subscribe to HairThrive and turn on notifications. The first thing that actually works for reversing gray hair involves addressing the internal nutritional deficiencies that cause melanocyte dysfunction. Research from multiple clinical studies shows that correcting deficiencies in vitamin B12, copper, folate, iron, and vitamin D can partially reverse premature graying in people whose graying is caused by these deficiencies. The mechanism involves providing melanocytes with the specific nutrients they need to function properly and produce melanin. Studies reveal that B12 is essential for DNA synthesis in melanocytes, copper is required for tyrosinase enzyme that produces melanin, and vitamin D maintains melanocyte stem cells. When these nutrients are deficient, supplementing them at therapeutic doses can restore melanocyte function. Think about how this makes logical sense compared to topical remedies. Research demonstrates that melanocytes are living cells deep in your hair follicles that need specific vitamins and minerals delivered through your bloodstream to function. Applying substances to your scalp cannot provide these nutrients to cells located millimeters below the skin surface. Here is what clinical evidence shows actually works for gray hair reversal based on scientific research. A 2017 study found that 74% of people with premature graying had nutritional deficiencies, and when corrected, approximately 35% experienced partial repigmentation. Research from case studies shows that people with severe B12 deficiency who received B12 injections saw new hair growth coming in pigmented within 3 to 6 months. The testing and targeted supplementation approach provides measurable results. Research demonstrates that getting serum B12, ferritin, 25-hydroxyvitamin D, and copper levels checked identifies specific deficiencies. Studies show that supplementing with methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms for B12, copper bisglycinate at 1 to 2 milligrams for copper, and vitamin D3 at 2,000 to 5,000 IU based on test results corrects deficiencies effectively. The dietary approach supports supplementation by providing nutrients from whole food sources. Research shows that consuming shellfish for copper and B12, eggs and dairy for B12, leafy greens for folate, and getting safe sun exposure for vitamin D helps maintain optimal levels naturally. Studies demonstrate that combining therapeutic supplementation initially with long-term dietary optimization produces the best sustained results. The second thing that actually works for reversing gray hair involves reducing chronic stress that depletes melanocyte stem cells. Research from Columbia University published in 2021 revealed that stress-related graying can actually reverse when stress is reduced, with individual hairs showing bands where gray segments returned to pigmented color. The mechanism involves chronic stress elevating norepinephrine from sympathetic nerves, which triggers premature activation and depletion of melanocyte stem cells in hair follicles. Studies reveal that reducing stress allows remaining stem cells to stabilize and resume normal regulated function rather than being rapidly depleted. This creates an opportunity for some reversal of recently grayed hair. Think about how chronic stress affects every system in your body, including your hair follicles. Research demonstrates that cortisol elevation, sympathetic nervous system activation, and oxidative stress from chronic stress all damage melanocytes. Studies show that stress management isn't just about feeling better emotionally, but has direct biological effects on cellular aging. Here's what the research shows actually works for stress-related graying reversal. The Columbia study documented that periods of stress reduction corresponded with visible repigmentation in gray hair segments. Research demonstrates that people who implemented consistent stress reduction practices, including daily meditation, regular exercise, improved sleep, and lifestyle changes, saw some reversal of recently grayed hair. The practical stress reduction approach involves daily meditation or mindfulness practice for 10 to 20 minutes. Research shows that this consistently lowers cortisol and reduces sympathetic nervous system activation. Studies demonstrate that even simple breath-focused meditation produces measurable hormone changes that protect melanocyte stem cells. Regular moderate exercise provides powerful stress reduction and improves circulation to hair follicles. Research reveals that 30 minutes of moderate activity like brisk walking 5 days weekly reduces stress hormones significantly. Studies show that exercise also enhances antioxidant defenses that protect melanocytes from oxidative damage. Quality sleep is essential for stress management and cellular repair. Research demonstrates that prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly lowers cortisol and allows cellular repair processes in hair follicles. Studies show that chronic sleep deprivation accelerates aging, including premature graying through multiple mechanisms. The third thing that actually works for addressing gray hair involves identifying and treating underlying health conditions that interfere with melanocyte function. Research shows that thyroid disorders, autoimmune conditions, vitamin absorption problems, and metabolic issues can all cause premature graying, and treating these conditions often slows or stops gray hair progression. The mechanism involves these conditions disrupting normal melanocyte function through various pathways, including autoimmune attack, hormonal imbalances, impaired nutrient absorption, or metabolic dysfunction. Studies reveal that addressing the root health condition often improves multiple symptoms, including gray hair, when intervention happens before permanent melanocyte damage. Think about how gray hair might be an early warning sign of a health problem that needs medical attention. Research demonstrates that premature graying sometimes precedes other symptoms of conditions like pernicious anemia, thyroid disease, or vitiligo. Studies show that investigating the cause rather than just covering gray with dye can lead to important health discoveries. Here's what medical evaluation can reveal about causes of premature graying. Thyroid function tests identify hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism that affect hair follicle cycling. Research shows that untreated thyroid disease commonly causes hair changes, including graying, thinning, and texture changes. Studies demonstrate that thyroid hormone replacement or treatment of hyperthyroidism often improves hair health. Pernicious anemia testing reveals whether you have an autoimmune condition preventing B12 absorption despite adequate intake. Research demonstrates that people with pernicious anemia cannot absorb B12 from food or oral supplements and require lifelong B12 injections. Studies show that diagnosis and proper treatment with injections reverses the severe B12 deficiency causing premature graying. Celiac disease screening identifies gluten sensitivity causing intestinal damage and multiple nutrient deficiencies. Research reveals that undiagnosed celiac disease causes malabsorption of B12, iron, copper, and other nutrients essential for melanocyte function. Studies show that following a strict gluten-free diet allows intestinal healing and restored nutrient absorption. The solution involves getting a comprehensive medical evaluation if you have premature graying along with other symptoms like fatigue, weight changes, or digestive issues. Research shows that blood work including thyroid panel, B12, ferritin, vitamin D, and celiac screening can identify treatable conditions. If you are finding this helpful, please take a moment to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps this video reach more people who are wasting time on home remedies instead of using evidence-based approaches that actually work for gray hair. The biggest home remedy myth that keeps people wasting time and money is the belief that applying oils, herbs, or other substances to your scalp can reverse gray hair by penetrating follicles and reactivating melanocytes. Here's the critical truth. Melanocytes are located in the hair bulb several millimeters below your skin surface, and topical applications cannot reach them or provide the internal nutrients they need to function. The mechanism involves understanding basic skin and hair follicle anatomy. Studies show that hair follicles extend 3 to 5 millimeters below the skin surface, with melanocytes located in the deepest part of the follicle. Research demonstrates that topically applied substances penetrate at most a few cell layers into the outer skin and cannot reach hair follicle bulbs where melanocytes reside. Think about the logic of expecting coconut oil massaged onto your scalp to somehow travel through multiple layers of skin cells, penetrate the follicle structure, reach melanocytes at the base, and then magically restart melanin production. Research reveals this is anatomically and physiologically impossible. The substances would need to enter your bloodstream to reach melanocytes, which means they need to be consumed orally, not applied topically. Another persistent myth is that scalp massage alone can reverse gray hair by improving circulation. Research shows that while massage does increase blood flow temporarily, this doesn't address the underlying causes of graying. Studies demonstrate that melanocytes don't lack blood supply in most cases. They lack specific nutrients like B12 and copper or have been depleted by stress and oxidative damage. The henna and indigo combination is effective for covering gray hair by coating strands with plant pigments, but this isn't a reversal. Research reveals that henna provides temporary color coverage that fades over weeks, requiring reapplication. Studies show that no melanin production is restored with henna. The solution is understanding that real gray hair reversal requires addressing internal causes through nutrition, stress management, and treating underlying conditions. Research demonstrates that the only topical treatments showing any promise in preliminary studies are research compounds not yet commercially available that aim to boost catalase or provide growth factors directly to follicles through advanced delivery systems. You now understand why home remedies for gray hair fail, which is that they cannot address the internal causes of graying, including nutritional deficiencies, chronic stress, and underlying health conditions. Topical applications of oils, herbs, and kitchen ingredients cannot reach melanocytes deep in hair follicles or provide the specific nutrients these cells need to produce melanin. What actually works for reversing gray hair includes comprehensive nutritional testing for B12, copper, iron, folate, and vitamin D, followed by therapeutic supplementation at doses that correct deficiency. Research shows methylcobalamin at 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms for B12, copper bisglycinate at 1 to 2 milligrams for copper, and vitamin D3 at 2,000 to 5,000 IU based on levels. Daily stress reduction through meditation, exercise, quality sleep, and stress management protects melanocyte stem cells and can reverse recent stress-related graying, according to research. Treating underlying conditions including thyroid disease, pernicious anemia, celiac disease, and autoimmune disorders addresses root causes of graying. The critical factor for success is abandoning ineffective home remedies and focusing on evidence-based approaches. Stop wasting time applying coconut oil, curry leaves, onion juice, or other topical treatments expecting melanin restoration. Instead, get tested, supplement based on results, reduce stress daily, and address health conditions. Remember that evidence-based gray hair reversal requires 3 to 6 months of consistent intervention before visible improvements in new growth appear. You won't see existing gray hair change color, but new growth may show better pigmentation when underlying causes are corrected before permanent melanocyte damage occurs. If this video helped you understand why home remedies fail and what actually works for gray hair, please share it with someone wasting time on ineffective treatments. Make sure to subscribe to HairThrive for more evidence-based content that separates fact from fiction about gray hair. Hit that notification bell so you never miss videos with scientifically proven approaches. Thanks for watching and trusting me to explain what actually works instead of popular myths. I'll see you in the next video.